Elevated outdoor play. The Graphene Airplane Launcher Gun takes outdoor play to new heights. It's an ultimate gadget that transforms ordinary playtime into thrilling air battles and endless fun, encouraging kids to get active and play outside. Safe and fun shooting. Designed with safety in mind, this airplane launcher gun provides a fun and exciting shooting experience. The foam glider planes are safe to launch, ensuring hours of enjoyment without worries. Paper foam gliders. This air battle gun toy comes with 4 paper foam glider planes, offering quick and easy operation. Kids can load, aim, and launch these gliders effortlessly, creating high-flying adventures with their friends. Durable construction. Crafted from nearly unbreakable plastic, this launcher gun is built to withstand active play. It can handle the rigors of outdoor sports activities, making it a long-lasting addition to your child's toy collection. Air Warrior Adventures. Let your children become air warriors as they engage in exciting outdoor sports activities. Watch in awe as they catapult foam glider planes into the sky, unleashing continuous shooting flyers that soar with ease, providing hours of active entertainment. Timmy squinted at the sky, holding a stick he called the launcher. "Ready for takeoff," he yelled, hurling his paper plane into a tree. His sister Lucy laughed. "Nice aim, Captain Crash. Need a rescue team?" Determined, Timmy taped 3 pencils together. "This is my turbo launcher." He launched again. The plane spiraled, directly into their neighbor's barbecue. Lucy handed him a box. "Try this." Timmy gasped. A real launcher, the Graphene Airplane Launcher Gun, turning kids into air warriors with ease. Customer reviews, 3.1 out of 5 stars.